happened in Lok Sabha, saying that if the women MPs of the BJP confronted the Congress MPs, very ugly scene would have been witnessed. So how do you tweeted on it also?
Yeah.
What
See, my thing is actually, generally there is a convention in the house that this kind of things should not be put outside the house in a public domain. So despite that, Kiren Rijiju is a parliamentary affairs minister who did it. But I actually basically express my thanks to Kiren Rijiju for putting out that video, because there are the last 2 days there are so many theories, myths, propaganda has going against us. Even the Honorable Speaker quoted in the Parliament said there is an untoward incident will happen. So this video basically broke that myth. So we, the women MPs, Congress MPs, actually went to the treasury benches holding a banner in our hand. Peacefully is standing there waiting for the Prime Minister to express our protest, because leader of opposition was not allowed to speak. Entire opposition was not able to spell out a single word. So when the discussion itself not happened, how come Prime Minister can reply to the motion of thanks? So that's what our thing. So the lot of BJP mouthpieces has also said we are trying to attack the Prime Minister. So this video effectively burst the myth. So I personally thank Mr. Kiren Rijiju. Also he was talking about decorum and dignity of the house. So there is also Congress party has put out a video that when Manmohan Singh ji was speaking, we have seen the BJP members are actually tearing paper and throwing on him. But despite that, Manmohan Singh ji stood in the Parliament house and spoke as if without nothing has happened. That is the courage of the Prime Minister. Not afraid of some women MPs, not coming to the house is not the courage. See, parliamentary democracy, everything will be there. People have different form of protest. So BJP has done the same thing. In the worst thing to the Honorable Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji, but we are very dignified people. We from the party which love dignity and peace. We will not cross the limit. But anyway, that videos was helping us to prove our point. Thank you.
But how do you see them, former